know exactly what I'm getting, but I'm gonna kind of show you around. They're in the process of building their app up right now. We love that. I love to see not a lot of ingredients. What's up, you guys? Today I'm gonna do a little shopping on a Black-owned app that is supposed to operate kind of like Amazon, except it only shows you Black-owned product. The first app I'm gonna shop is Julo Shop, this one right here. Has different categories. They don't have anything in the beauty and wellness category, but I'm gonna get some things from the home and lifestyle category and from the bath and body category. My favorite app is called Nile. They have the biggest product list. They have all kinds of different companies on there. The only problem with that one, it's on the Spaces by Wix app. So the shopping isn't in app. Like when I find a brand that I like and I click on it, it takes me outside of the app and to that specific company, which means that I'm gonna have to pay individual shipping for all of that, which can, kind of turn out to be a lot after a while. But they have a lot of categories. They're in the process of building their app up right now. So when it does finally work and you can buy everything in app, I think that will be a really cool experience. I will say I've discovered a lot of brands on this Black Nile app, like Ancient Cosmetics, Amy Cole. I didn't actually realize that was Black owned, I don't think. They have a lot of makeup and things on there. So I'm gonna shop on Amy Cole separately and buy a few things. And then I'm also gonna shop on Belanomi. That was just something I discovered on Instagram. I've been really wanting to buy a few bath products from them. But first, let's go into Julo Shop. Okay, I know exactly what I'm getting, but I'm gonna kind of show you around. This is the home and lifestyle brand. Eco Daisy. I've been really wanting to try these disinfecting wipes. They show you the product info. You can read that if you want. They have an ingredient list. And then most of these products don't have reviews on here, but once it gets going, then you can look at the reviews. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna get me one of those. I'm also gonna get me some dish soap. Oh yeah, my budget is like 200, 250. If I could stay under 200, that'd be great. I don't need any candles, but look, they got tons of different kinds of candles. Oh, reusable tea bags, I didn't even see that. They have aromatherapy, like room and linen spray. That's pretty cool. Some more candles. They have like notebooks, some t-shirts. Okay, the laundry detergent. These, I believe, are very eco-friendly. They're powder though, and I don't want the powder one. I want the liquid one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one right here. They do have one for sensitive skin. I'm just gonna get this regular one. Then I want a few bath and body things. I actually have Alafia already. I have their body wash and their lotion. The lotion's okay, but I do like the body wash. So I'm actually gonna get some body creams. I'm gonna get that from Belanomi though. I wanna try this RG oil, but I'm gonna get that from Belanomi as well, I think. I do need a body scrub, so I'm gonna get this vanilla lavender one. Look at the ingredients here, all good stuff. Sugar, seed oil, almond oil, lavender, essential oil, fragrance. We love that. I love to see not a lot of ingredients. I'll report back how I actually end up liking it. Oh, they have, this is out. I kind of wanted that, the charcoal tooth powder. They don't have that, that's okay. They have toothbrushes, so that's kind of nice. Nipple balm, I don't need that, but if you do, there you go. Oh, they have bug spray, I didn't even see that. It is the time of year for bug spray, but I'm not gonna get that right now. I wanna get this deodorant right here. The packaging got me. I could get this Illuminate one, but the packaging got me on this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. I've been wanting to find like a more natural deodorant. Oh, flushable wipes. I feel like you're not supposed to flush wipes anyways. Let me get some of those. And honey pot. I want these panty liners. Oh, non-herbal, good. I do not want the herbal one. These are panty liners, so I'm gonna get these. And then I'm trying to stop wearing tampons. I'm probably gonna get a Diva cup eventually, so I'm not gonna get tampons right now. But if I were to get them, yeah, I'd probably get them from there. So let's see, I think that's everything. They have browndages. Don't they have that? Am I in the wrong one? Browndages. Let's see if they got it. I guess not. Oh yeah, they got food and stuff, you guys. They have coffee, they have matcha. I'm probably not gonna get the matcha right now. I would eventually. Oh, they have graham crackers. That's kind of cool. Softener. I don't need that either. Let's see what I got in here so far. What my total is. That's a little high for my total right now. Let me see if I want to get all this stuff. I for sure want to get the disinfecting wipes and the dish soap and the laundry detergent. This body scrub, I'm gonna go without the body scrub for now. That looks good to me. Let's see how much shipping costs. Carbon neutral shipping, what the fuck does that mean? They're both $5. My total was $88.93, so let's just say 89. Next, I want to shop at Bellinoma. I already know what I'm getting. So I think I just want this Nourish and Glow set. It comes with the shea butter, the body cream, the Africanate sponge, the body glow oil, and this bag. So this was $43, 89, so let's say 90 plus 40, that's 130. The next place I want to order from is Amy Cole. So let's see, I had already put some stuff in here. I got a lip liner, a brow pencil. Oh, they're having a sale, and a complexion brush. 4 to 7 business days, so $50. Okay, order placed. How much did I spend? $52.99, so let's just say 53. Plus, I believe it was 43 plus 90. 186. So I was about $15 under budget. I really can't wait until Black Nile does in-app shopping. Hopefully they can get that figured out because that will be game-changing. They have so many brands on there and that will just be a wonderful experience. But for now, Julo shop, you know, it's not bad. You saw all the things they had. I got a lot of different items. I'm gonna be out of town for about 10 days. So maybe 2 weeks from now. I have a few other videos lined up, but I'll definitely unbox everything for you so you can see what it looks like. If everything's individually packed or not, I'll be very interested to see how that goes.